In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to buy regular tickets for the FIFA World Cup. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the website FIFA.com. Once you're on the website, click on the option Shop. Navigate to the option Tickets and Hospitality. Now scroll down and under Tickets, you're gonna find the option Explore Details. Click on that. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Sales Page. Here you'll find the list of sale phases for regular match tickets. The first phase was the Visa pre-sale draw, but this phase is already closed. It was only open for people with valid Visa cards. The second phase was early ticket draw, which allowed anyone to apply, but it's also closed now. The next phase is the random selection draw, which will begin after the official World Cup final draw in December 2025. At that time, all group stage matches will be known and fans can submit applications for specific matches. This will be another lottery-based phase. Closer to the tournament, FIFA will open the last-minute sale phase. That will be first come, first served, selling any remaining tickets instantly. Availability will be limited. If you're unable to secure tickets during these phases, you can also check the FIFA resale and exchange marketplace where fans can list their tickets for resale. However, availability depends on what other people are selling. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.